So 325.
325 service. So this is the Park Deluxe Room. So second category of room. So this is 35 square meters. 35 square meters with very high ceiling.
So park room before was the name?
Park room and then Park Deluxe Room.
Okay.
But in park room you have park room with the view, with the main view, and park room with balcony. And this is Park Deluxe Room.
Park Deluxe. So authentic Parisian garden.
Yes. Haussmannian building.
But what is you have on the top something?
It's for the birds,
Ah.
so that they don't come in the terrace. And then you have the bathroom and the dressing room. So in all the Park Hyatts, you will have the bathtub and the shower. What you see here is our logo, which you will see everywhere. In the
Logo I see. All palaces in Paris needs to have his
Yes.
own logo.
Do you already work with hotels in Paris?
Yeah, a lot.
Can I ask you which hotel you?
Wait 10 minutes. I explain everything.
Okay.